What's going on? This is Matt Rinke, the founder of Illumination Wealth. I hope this finds you staying healthy and safe. Now, I wanted to tackle a recent important news story, and that is how Tesla and Elon Musk have announced that the company has purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Now, I know this gets everyone really excited, but I took a few lessons from this that I want to share with you. Now, the first is that in the context of wealth and the assets of Tesla and Elon Musk, this is a very modest investment in Bitcoin. For Elon Musk, this represents less than 1% of his overall net worth. For the company Tesla, they have $50 billion of assets. $1.5 billion in Bitcoin is less than 3%. So when most individual investors invest, they take much larger risks than those sophisticated investors and other proven long-term successful investors. Elon Musk has not put 90% of his net worth into Bitcoin. He put less than 1%. The company put less than 3%. So if something goes wrong with that investment, it's not going to jeopardize their overall financial position. But this is also validating cryptocurrencies even further. And it's also identifying that this is more about wealth preservation than it is about necessarily wealth creation, unless it leads to my second point, that wealth is created primarily through business. Elon Musk is investing, and Tesla's investing in this because of its ability to be useful in business. They're now going to be accepting payments in Bitcoin, which is opening up a new revenue stream for the company. And when you think about Elon Musk's wealth, his $180 billion or $150 billion of wealth, this wealth was created through business. It wasn't created by investing in cryptocurrency. It was created by building businesses. Now, the investment in crypto is something that hopefully will help to preserve wealth for the company as well as for Elon himself. And why do I say it's a wealth preservation investment? Because there's a lot of talk about inflation and the valuation of the dollar, which most of these companies are their reserve currency on their balance sheet. So if we have an alternative investment, an alternative cryptocurrency, a few percentage points of their overall asset base, that will be a hedge against a continued decline in the dollar. So they're thinking about this investment as one, a preservation play, and two, as an additional revenue enhancing business wealth creation tool. So it's not just let's invest in this to speculate and hope that it doubles and triples in price. It's a wealth preservation play as well as a business play. And the next thing that I want to talk to you about is the news. Once you hear about it, it's already after they made their purchases. They weren't announcing to you in December, whether it's Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy or Elon Musk, that they're actively buying it every single minute and every single hour. No, they're telling you after they bought their position. So if you're out there buying because the news announced that Tesla purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, typically it's already late in the game. They've already been buying over months and months and months and months and months to acquire that position, and they did so at much lower prices than what you are purchasing at today. So make sure that you have the context before and the plan in place before you go off and just simply trade and invest based off of the news, because Elon Musk and MicroStrategy and these other billionaires are investing for different purposes than you are and that what you need in your financial life. So those are some of the key lessons I learned from Elon Musk and Tesla's announcement that they purchased $1.5 billion of Bitcoin. I hope that you continue to put this into context as it relates to creating your wealth game plan. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Look forward to connecting with you soon. Take care.